Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself in a tight spot with your HVAC system, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the world of Hvac Multimeters, the ultimate tools every technician needs to troubleshoot like a pro. Wondering which multimeter will give you the best bang for your buck? You've clicked on the right video. From advanced features to durability, we've scoured the market to bring you the absolute best Hvac multimeters that stand out. So stick around as we unveil our top picks that will not only save you time, but also boost your efficiency. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Number 5. Klein Tool CL320KIT HVAC Kit, a must-have for every HVAC professional. This comprehensive kit includes a digital clamp meter, a dual IR/probe thermometer, and a dual-range non-contact voltage tester, all designed to enhance your HVAC testing capabilities. The versatile clamp meter measures AC current and non-contact voltage effortlessly while offering readings for AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, and more with precision and ease. Experience accurate temperature measurements with the dual IR probe and thermometer, able to measure from -40 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 to 300 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for ducts and air vents. It's designed with a handy differential temperature feature to calculate the temperature difference, ensuring optimal performance. Additionally, the non-contact voltage tester offers versatile voltage detection, identifying voltage across a range of 12 to 1000 VAC or 70 to 1000 VAC, complete with visual and audible alerts. The integrated flashlight is a game-changer, lighting up your workspace without interfering with voltage detection. This kit is undoubtedly the best choice for Hvac multimeters, delivering professional-grade tools that ensure reliability and accuracy in your HVAC projects. Equip yourself for success with the Klein Tool CL320KIT today. Number 4. UEI DL369 Digital Clamp Meter is a top contender among the best HVAC multimeters on the market. This compact yet powerful tool boasts a dual 4000 count display, allowing users to read measurements clearly at a glance. With features like min/max readings and auto-ranging capabilities, it enhances user experience while conserving battery life with its auto power-off function. This versatile clamp meter goes beyond basic functions, measuring capacitance up to 4000 F in frequency, enabling you to tackle industrial tasks without breaking the bank. It also excels in measuring AC and DC currents up to 400 A and 2000 A, providing a comprehensive range for varied applications. Safety is paramount, and the DL369 prioritizes it with its audible non-contact voltage (NCV) feature, ensuring you can identify live wires without direct contact. With a robust safety rating of 600 VCAT3 and 1000 VCAT2, you can work with confidence. Plus, it's backed by a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Overall, the UEI DL369 is designed to meet the needs of HVAC professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, combining functionality, safety, and reliability in one attractive package. Number 3. Fieldpiece Compact Vacer Clamp Multimeter SC260 is a game-changer for HVAC professionals seeking precision and reliability in a compact design. Perfect for both hot and cold environments, this true RMS clamp meter delivers higher accuracy VAC and AAC readings along with essential temperature and capacitance measurements. The SC260 boasts a user-friendly interface with features like non-contact voltage, NCV, detection, continuity warnings, and diode testing, making it an invaluable tool in any HVAC technician's toolkit. Thanks to its auto-select mode, the meter automatically identifies when you're measuring capacitance or resistance, streamlining your workflow and enhancing overall efficiency. The sturdy swivel magnet allows for hands-free measurements, so you can focus on your work without the hassle of holding the meter. With its durable construction and advanced functionalities, the Fieldpiece SC260 stands out as one of the best HVAC multimeters on the market today. Whether you're troubleshooting systems or performing routine maintenance, this clamp meter is equipped to handle your toughest HVAC challenges with ease. Number 2. Testo 760-2 Digital Multimeter, your ultimate tool for efficient HVAC measurements. Designed specifically for professionals, this TRMS multimeter simplifies electric testing on refrigeration, air conditioning, and heating systems. With its easy operation, you can quickly tackle various tasks thanks to features like automatic range detection and a reliable auto test setup. This multimeter ensures precise readings, detecting lead connections flawlessly and preventing errors during voltage and current testing. What truly sets the Testo 760-2 apart is its intelligence. The built-in automation allows for quick adjustments, eliminating mistakes and optimizing accuracy while saving you valuable time in the field. The rugged housing and molded lead holder guarantee durability, making it perfect for tough working environments. Plus, the backlit display ensures visibility in all lighting conditions. The scope of delivery includes everything you need: the 760-2 voltage meter, test leads, 3 AAA batteries, a Type K thermocouple adapter, an instruction manual, a quick start guide, and a certificate of conformity. Whether you are a seasoned HVAC technician or just starting, the Testo 760-2 is undoubtedly one of the best HVAC multimeters on the market, designed to elevate your professional experience. Number 1. HVAC professionals with the Fluke 116 of 323 kit, a powerful combination of a digital multimeter and a clamp meter designed for accuracy and convenience. The Fluke 116 digital multimeter stands out with its built-in thermometer, enabling precise temperature readings crucial for HVAC applications. Its microamps feature allows for testing flame sensors, making it an essential tool for any technician. Designed with low input impedance, this multimeter helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage, ensuring reliable measurements every time. Complementing the multimeter, the Fluke 323 True RMS clamp meter measures up to 400 A AC current and handles 600 VAC and DC voltage, offering versatility for various tasks. The True RMS capability guarantees accurate readings even in nonlinear signals, a must for HVAC systems. With the inclusion of a temperature probe, test leads, TPAK, and a durable carrying case, this kit provides everything you need for effective diagnostics and repairs. This Fluke combo kit is undoubtedly one of the best HVAC multimeters available, ideal for technicians seeking accuracy and reliability in their measurements. Whether you're running routine maintenance or troubleshooting complex issues, the Fluke 116 of 323 kit is your go-to solution for HVAC excellence. In conclusion, choosing the best HVAC multimeters is crucial for ensuring accurate measurements and efficient troubleshooting. Whether you're a seasoned technician or a DIY enthusiast, investing in a quality multimeter can save you time and enhance your work quality. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision about which multimeter suits your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your experiences with us. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.